Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor Mastermind. Several students are sending me request messages to explain them how to improve their calculator practice speed. The speed at which they are going to operate the calculator, they want to improve that speed. So it's a good move that students are asking me voluntarily to help them in improving their calculator operating speed. I did not expect it. But anyhow, here is a very small video on the same. In just a matter of few minutes, we can close this. I have already developed some calculator practice sheets. By using these sheets, students can easily improve their speed of operating calculator. So please click the description of this video. Please click the description of the video. You will find a Google Drive link. By clicking that link, you can download these practice sheets directly. So take a printout of these calculator practice sheets. In this we have already given some numbers and we have already given the final result of the calculation. So take your calculator, start entering these numbers, and if your final answer is also the same answer which is given here, that means you have practiced it correctly. In that manner, you keep practicing the calculator because you must be in a position to operate the calculator blindfold. That is, without even looking at the calculator, you must be in a position to operate the same. Just like a typist. A typist will be able to type the matter very quickly without even looking at the keyboard. Similarly, you must be in a position to operate the calculator without even looking at the calculator. It is possible if you practice through these practice sheets. That's point number one. Point number two, never change the model of the calculator. Once you change the model of the calculator, your entire practice will also get lost. That's why never change the model of the calculator. You better purchase a calculator of as bigger size as possible and try to purchase a branded calculator only, and that to choose a model which is long lasting. Even if the calculator that you are using is lost or gets damaged, you must be in a position to purchase the same model so that your practice will not be lost. So you better choose calculator of that manner. So we have included various types of numbers, various calculations in this practice exercises. By doing this exercise, you can operate the calculator blindfold. So please don't forget that. Calculator is a very important tool which you can take to the examination hall. It is like a weapon for you. So if you are able to operate the calculator blindfold, then you can comfortably save at least 4 to 5 minutes in the examination. And you know pretty well that 4 to 5 minutes matters a lot in the public examination. That's why, my dear students, you better download these calculator practice sheets and start practicing the same. This will be helpful to students of all courses, either it is CA, CMA or CS or any other course. If you like this video, improve their calculator practice speed, subscribe. Everybody can use this, press the bell icon so that you will receive the latest notification with respect to any video I am going to upload. This will also motivate me to make still more number of videos which are useful to you. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.